complete replacement of the missing teeth. So this started off something like 3-4 years back when my mother had some kind of pain in the teeth. So we started the treatment in a Bangalore-based clinic, which is large chain of dental clinics in Bangalore. We start off the treatments, and the first step was to extract some of the tooth that was creating problem. While doing this process, we had a lot of problems that the day they extracted the teeth, and we were like totally collapsed, and we could not continue the treatment because of the way the treatment was done and the pain that it caused. So, and because of this reason, we had to kind of temporarily stop the treatment over there. And it was in winter season also, and in Bangalore being a little bit cold place, we were like thinking, should we continue really in this place or not? And at that clinic, we had the senior consultant visiting, once in a week. So I had the opportunity to talk to that senior consultant as well. And they were a little bit hesitant to take up the case for my mother because of the low blood level count of the hemoglobin, and also the age and the health factors. They were like a little bit hesitant. So, and various other factors of my work-related travels and things like that, we could not really continue. And always, truth being fearful and anxiety causing topic, my mother was also not prepared to take up the treatment immediately. So we kind of, delayed the process for about 2-3 years, and then suddenly about a month back, the temporary denture that my mother was using that fell off and broke, and that I thought is a right opportunity for me to kind of again start this treatment so that we can go for a permanent one. But again, the most of the clinics in Bangalore, they are hesitant to take up this kind of case for the old people. And second thing is that there is a very lengthy procedure, like 6 months to 1 year is what they talk about in implant, and which I could not take up the case because things change in life. I keep traveling all the time, and I will not be in a position to continue the treatment. And once we start the stage 1 and before stage 2, a lot of things change in personal life also. The health conditions also can change. So we were like, so many factors were there about confusing. Then we thought, okay, maybe Chennai is a better place to do the treatment because it's a hard place, and since we had bad experience in the past, we thought, okay, we'll do it in Chennai. So we did Googling around the various clinics in Chennai to kind of find out the place, and I came across Dr. Murugavel's clinic website, and I read that, and I thought that the content of the website is genuine, and it's not a copy-paste work from just like what many websites have done actually. So I looked at that, all the information there, and then sent out an email asking them for kind of details around the procedure and how they will do it and things like that. Within 2 or 3 hours, the clinic head, Dr. Arifa, called me, and she explained me in detail about 30 minutes or so what exactly is the case, how they do it and things like that. It was really impressive. The best thing is that the confidence which she explained, and I was like really impressed with that. So we thought we'll continue the treatment here. Then it's just a matter of fixing the date and convenient date and things like that. So we were just going for it. So in the meantime, I called my brother in Chennai, asked them to just check out how the clinic is and what is the route to go there and things like that. So he came there and he saw the clinic across the road, and then he called me back and said, it's quite a small place. Why did you choose this one? It's not. I don't know whether you really did your homework or not. Then I thought for a second, the immediate thought that came to my mind is that whenever in real life also we go to astrologer, not for his ambience or the big showroom or whatever, we go for the best of the predictions they give. So I just gave this example to him and said we have to go for the quality of the people, not for the ambience or something like that. So he was convinced. He said, okay, you have done your job, that's fine. So you come here, we will go and talk to them first, and then we'll decide about the treatment. With all these things in background, we came here. The first day we were here, I was also coming from the other side of the road. Then when I saw the clinic from the other side, I was like thinking, what my brother told may be right actually. But I cannot express the same thing to him because he already informed me. So he just parked the car and started coming here. All these things were like going on in my mind. But the moment we entered the reception, everything changed actually. The warm welcome that we received, the kind of greetings that we received. And then Dr. Arifa came again. She took us to a room and explained the entire procedure in detail, and the confidence, the positive energy around this place that really made me to immediately decide. And we said, okay, we'll go ahead and start the treatment right away. We started the treatment. It was done. She explained that it will be done in 4 to 5 sittings, and it was exactly the same. It today we completed the treatment, and it was very painless and very professionally done. The team of doctors here, the kind of love and care they give to the patients, I have not seen in any of the hospitals. I have seen many big hospitals in Bangalore and even in Chennai also, but I don't think that kind of personal touch that you get in the hospital like place actually. So when it comes to teeth, see, one thing is that about cost. Obviously, certain procedures are costly. At the same time, spending money does not guarantee you anything actually. And teeth is a very sensitive area. Something goes wrong, you are like done actually. So people are like, the patients who undergo the treatment, they have their own internal fear and anxiety. And second thing is about the cases they see how things fail, that adds up actually. So with all these things in mind, and the confidence with which Dr. Murugavel's clinic has been operating, the way they are taking to the public, and the way they express, the way they kind of provide the treatment is really amazing actually. So if you really look at Dr. Murugavel's website and the team of doctors here, one thing that I can really judge is that it is their mission, I think, to take this kind of a treatment in a very fast and very accurate and best way, pain-free, and that kind of treatment to the general public in this kind of the country and to this part of this world. So I think their mission, I think, and they are doing their best job in taking this kind of implants, advanced implants to the society in South India, which is really appreciative. And I really wish Dr. Murugavel and his clinic to be one of the best things in the country. And I've seen a lot of certificates and award things in the put out in the walls on the reception. I think that is just in some kind of example of the kind of treatment that is being done here, and the work that is being done here is, I think, is really good, and people should take opportunity to come and take this kind of service. And I wish them really big success in taking this kind of things to the society actually in large. And I pray to Dr. I generally pray to Lord Muruga. He's my favorite deity. I'm happy that I got the treatment done by a person named after the Lord actually. I thank Dr. Muruga and his team, for Dr. Hari, for everyone for this treatment.